Welcome to GS of Gina B. Younger YouTube channel. Yahoo! Frequently asked questions on the policy guidelines on the implementation of the Matatag curriculum. On July 23, 2024, the Department of Education issued DepEd Order 10, Series 2024. And these are the frequently asked questions. Number 1, does this DO 10 Series 2024 cover the implementation of the Matatag curriculum across all grade levels? This Department Order 10, DepEd Order 10 Series 2024 is applicable only from K to grade 10. Key Stage 1, Kindergarten to grade 3. Key Stage 2, grades 4 to 6. Key Stage 3, grades 7 to 10. There will be a separate DO or DepEd order on the implementation of the Matatag curriculum for Key Stage 4 to grades 11 and 12. However, DepEd Order 21 Series 2019 on the senior high school curriculum and DepEd Order 12 Series 2020 on the senior high school most essential learning competencies shall remain in effect. Number 2 questions. How about the special program? In pages 42, 43, 55, and 56 of DepEd Order 10 Series 2024, it enumerates the programs in the program and the support of DepEd Order 10 Series 2024 of the Matatag curriculum to the sub-programs of the National Learning Recovery Program, Inclusive Education Program, ALS and co-curricular programs such as Madrasa Education Program, Indigenous Peoples Education Program or IPED, Special Curricular Program SCP, and the Alternative Learning Program or Alternative Learning System ALS. Is the Mother Tongue-based Multilingual Education MTB-MLE program still being implemented in the Matatag curriculum? Yes. Pages 41 and 42 of DepEd Order 10 Series 2024 provide that the first language is the medium of teaching and learning in kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3, or the Key Stage 1. Number 4 question. Beginning this school year, will mother tongue still be a subject for grades 2 and 3? No, the mother tongue will no longer be a learning area in 2016. No longer a learning area in the K-12 basic education curriculum. Page 57 of DepEd Order 10 Series 2024 presents the recalibrated time allotment of learning areas for grade 2 and 3 of the 2016 K-12 BEC basic education curriculum. How will students be assessed under the Matatag curriculum? This is question number 5. Pages 12, 13, and 14 of DepEd Order 10, Series 2024 provide guidelines on classroom assessment and other assessments needed to profile learners. Provisions in DepEd Order 8, Series 2015 and DepEd Order 31, Series 2020 will still be used as basis for learner assessments. Schools may utilize the following assessment tools to support learner development. A. Philippine Early Childhood Checklist, Philippine ECD. Letter B. Philippine Informal Reading Inventory or what we call the PhilERI. Letter C. Comprehensive Rapid Literacy Assessment or what we call the CARLA. And letter D. The Rapid Mathematics Assessment, which is also called the RMA. It's very important to be aware of all these changes. Now, We will continue with the part 2 on my next vlog, on my next video, for all that frequently asked questions about DepEd Matatag curriculum. Thank you for watching.